pool party. I didn't vlog that, but we discussed how we both have social anxiety. So welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani here, and I'm back for another freaking video. This is the beginning of a new vlog. So as you can see, of course, I'm in my car. I know I did not do the tour yet. It's coming. I promise it's coming. Today I have a little bit of things to do on my to-do list. Right now I'm just looking for food, and then I'm gonna go to Home Goods because my apartment needs some more decorating, however you say it. I don't know. But the reason why I did not decorate my apartment like 100% was because I really was not sure that I was gonna stay in that apartment when I first moved back to Dallas, just because I only had one day to tour. And I think y'all saw it. I don't know if I posted the vlog. I'm pretty sure I posted it when I came back here to tour, but I don't know. I don't think I posted it. But anyways, the reason why I did not decorate my apartment was because I didn't want to decorate the apartment and then I got up and moved somewhere else and I had to sell all that stuff again. But it's looking like I'm gonna stay in this apartment for my entire lease term, and then who knows what I'll do after that. But at the end of the day, it's not my job to predict the future. I'm living in the motherfucking moment, and in this motherfucking moment I want to be content in my apartment. So to summarize all of that, because that was a lot of information, I want to decorate my apartment. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And then after that, I'm meeting up with a friend. We're going to this bar, and it's a really cute place to take pictures, so we're gonna do that too, and I'm vlogging that. Right now we're at this coffee shop called Ascension, and I keep seeing Ascension on places. She got so close to my car. She got so close to my car. But yeah, so I'm about to see what this coffee shop is looking like, because like I said, I searched it before, and I think I actually went here to another location. But anyways, we're about to go in here, so let's go. So this is what it's called, and they have a little seating area out here. It's so cool. Shorts. I have on whole shorts. I think that I'm gonna get the bacon, egg, and cheese pie. Okay, is the bacon, egg, and cheese popular, or is the sausage and cheddar popular? Which one is more popular? More popular? Okay, can I do that? And what type of drinks do you guys have? Oh, yes, a croissant, please. Like, do you guys have lemonade? Can I do lemonade and a to-go cup? But it is for here. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for my food. This place is so cute, and I'm excited to try the bacon, egg, and cheese. Let's try the lemonade. It's okay. Let's taste the food. Yeah, I know it's so funny. Anyways, I'll tell you that when I get in the car, but it's just hilarious. It looks like. Let's try it. It's so good. Bruh, these people be parking too close to me, like way too close. Anyways, that food was really good. I don't even know how much I spent on it. I don't even remember. But if you ever come to Ascension, they have multiple locations in Dallas. Bacon, egg, and cheese. And I don't even eat regular bacon, but I did. But I think that was turkey bacon. I saw this boy reading this book. It's called Power, and I'm pretty sure people in the book club community, people that read, knows what that book is, because it's a very popular manipulating book. But it could also teach you some lessons about life and how to notice when someone is doing it to you. The store always has everything plus more. We're just gonna see what they have. I don't know if I'm buying anything today. We're just gonna see. Here are some rugs, and I do need a rug. These rugs, you guys see that? $129. I know nothing about rug buying, so I don't know if that's a good deal or not a good deal. It does say that the rugs are 25% off. 25% off clearance rugs. Don't know what that means either. And I don't even know what color rug I would want. So maybe I need to look at inspiration and then I need to do this, because I can't just buy a rug and then it doesn't match. If I do that, I'm gonna be pissed at myself. But we can look at, everyone knows I love a good green flower, so and paintings. So flower and paintings, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. You need a mirror, guys, but I don't think I'm gonna get a mirror today. I don't feel like getting it, but I just want to say, look at me, I'm super thick. Who not thick? Who not thick? Who not thick? Who not thick? Oh, okay, that's what I thought. So these are all the pictures. I just saw some cute ones over here. I do really love this one right here. I love this one. This one is just so cute. It's so calming and it definitely caught my eye. I feel like it's so tiny. I don't know. Like, you see this sparkle? I'm not into like sparkle. I feel like that's super girly, and I really don't describe myself as someone that's super girly. Like, I even love manly smells in my apartment more than like sweet smells. Yo, this is so cute. OMG, hold on, I might have to get this. So y'all, I'm vlogging on my phone now because we are walking into the mall. I do not know if they are gonna allow me to vlog in the mall, and in Texas they be weird with it. So just to avoid that, I'm gonna just use my phone. Because it's Sunday, I don't want to cuss anybody out or fight anybody today, so we're just going to use the phone. All right, so yeah, we're at the mall and I'll see y'all when I get in. Okay, so we're about to try on this naked wardrobe one piece, and I really don't even want to try it on because I see that somebody tried it on before, and you know, you can see like the little, I don't know if I want to try it on because it's black and I don't really like getting into black, so we're probably not going to try this on. But then we have this like cute skirt. I did want to get a white button up with this, but I just want to see how it looks on my like body. And then there's this cute set that I want to get into, so yeah, let's try it on. Hey guys, so I am back home. I don't know why I just made that ugly face. Anyways, so I'm back home. I did find an outfit in Nordstrom top shop, so yeah, y'all will see that when I get dressed. But right now I got my computer and I'm about to send some emails. I have to send some emails to clients. I have to respond back to some brands, and yeah, that's really all I have to do right now. Typically I don't like to do work on Sundays. I really just like to go to church and just like towards the end of the day like plan my weeks out, but I didn't do any work on Saturday, so we're doing some work today. If you never drunk this, did you have a childhood? Like, I don't know, like I used to always drink these. Like, they used to be $1 and I used to drink them, but like the one in the can. So guys, the whole plan for me from this point on is really just to be super consistent with my content, because I'm really trying to do this full time. Like, my goal is to wake up, eat, sleep, and breathe in content, getting paid to do content, getting paid to, you know, go places, shoot content and stuff like that. So I have to really take this serious, and that is what I'm doing. Guys, I am not liking my outfit. I'm not liking my hair. I'm not liking my makeup. I'm not liking anything, and it's honestly annoying because I have to literally leave now. So anyways, this is the outfit. I don't know what to do. I may take these little pigtail things out. Let me see how it looks. And I have to do it. You see, it made me feel better already. So now I don't know if I should wear these earrings. Should I wear these earrings? Yeah, this is the look, y'all. I don't care. I might not look all the way there, but fuck it, whatever. I always wear my hair like this, but it is what it is because those pigtails weren't it. It just wasn't giving me. So yeah, I gotta go. I told this girl I was gonna be at her house at 6:30 and 6:21, and she doesn't live that close to me, so yeah, I think I like this look. Okay, now I think I feel a little bit cuter because I changed everything around and I look like this. But Tell me what y'all think. Do y'all like this outfit? Just a button up with the bra, pants, and I'm wearing clear heels. I was gonna wear these little white heels that I got from Forever 21. That was my first mistake. But yeah, I'm about to just leave out and I'll see y'all in the car. Yes, so cute. Hey. Yes, I love your shoes. Where'd you get them from?
Thanks, I got them from Amazon.
For real?
Yeah.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Amazon be having the cutest stuff. Okay, so I feel like, okay guys, so we both have a little bit of social. Do you care if I tell them?
No, I don't.
Okay, so me and Tuesday, when we met at the pool party, I didn't vlog that, but we discussed how we both have social anxiety.
I was like, let me just take a seat.
Yeah, like I was just observing and like trying to stay cool, but I was like, okay. But like little things like the bar, lounges, like stuff like that, where I'm not forced to talk to a lot of people, I'm just going with the person, whoever I'm with.
Yeah.
I think that's okay. But how is yours? Like, is yours super bad?
No, yeah, mine gets bad where I become like within myself.
Yeah.
And I have to do like a 2 drinks that gets me normal. Like,
Okay.
let me get 2 drinks in me, and then I'm like
regular. A lot of people have social anxiety, and I don't think it's talked about enough.
It isn't.
Just because of the pandemic and stuff, like it really messed a lot of people up.
Yes, and like people don't understand. I think it's better now, but people don't understand your bubble.
Yes.
It's gotten a lot better, but my bubble's gotten bigger. So when people come near me or when I'm at the grocery store.
Oh, the gas station sometimes.
Yes,
like,
and that's the worst. Or just being out in big crowds, like going to any kind of big kind of event, like the pool party we were talking about.
Yes, we thought it was only gonna be like a small little, like I thought it was gonna be like a small little kickback with just like the people from the gym that I go to.
Yes.
It was this huge thing. Like, it's so cute.
There's no more cute left.
Okay, any kind is fine. Whatever. Oh yes. Like,
This is so cute. Oh god.
this is so cute. Do you want a picture right here?
Yes.
I feel like this would be so cute with the outfit. Guys, I tried. Okay, I want to try to get a picture.
It's so fun. Slinky wall I was talking about, like they literally made it all slinky. Oh, this is where I took the like picture here.
Oh, yeah. This is a secret room.
Kind of scary though.
Oh, this is so cute. It is kind of scary.
It's like how do we get out of here? Here.
Oh god.
Okay.
No, it's so cute.
Oh, this is so cute.
OMG.
Listen, don't tell. Oh wait, yeah, it's Rod, here.
This place was so cute, like
I love it.
so freaking cute.
And then you can at least get the little.
Oh yeah.
Like I still have my little discount.
She do the game. Bottle blonde is always a vibe.
I get my basketball too.
So this is Citizen or Sporty?
So this is Bottle Blonde, that's Citizen, and then Sporting Club is where we're going to.
Okay.
But it's also Bloom too. So the owners, like they got like half of.
Your pants are a lot of noise.
Oh, thank you.
So the sporting club is like half, and then Bloom is also like a club, but it's inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It feels better out here.
You know, it's like this is me getting over a fear because I don't even like I don't vlog like this in person.
Oh, I would have held it for you if I needed to. So we'll take this left. They're gonna be like no videographer.
I know, that's the only thing.
I'm just kidding.
Tell yourself out. Oh, for real? Yeah. I'm scared
How you doing?
Imani.
Patrick, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you. You say your name what?
Patrick.
Patrick, Imani. Nice to meet you. Hey. Hey. Oh, hey, bro. Where are you from? He's from Dallas. Dallas. You gonna walk away? Hey guys, so I have been suffering, okay? I woke up with my period and I've just been suffering, okay? The first day, I don't know, ladies, tell me if it's the same for y'all. I'm pretty sure it is. The first day for my cycle is always so bad. It's always so bad, but yeah, so I'm literally about to go. Well, I'm cooking something in the oven, a turkey burger, and y'all tell me why I realized I don't have ketchup, so now I have to eat a turkey burger with barbecue sauce. Just ew. But anyways, I have a one-on-one coaching, plan your move. If you of course are looking to plan your move, need help organizing, mental preparation, link in description. Sign up. I'm taking a few more people for the month of June, but all my girls that sign up for my course know I keep it real. So 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna show up with this robe on. I will probably at least take the bonnet off, but I'm showing up with a robe on. I'm in pain, work gotta get done, so it has to happen. But yeah, y'all, my stomach just hurts so bad. So, and I also did some work, you know, for Capital Logistics, did a few interviews, posted a picture on Instagram. I need to post on TikTok, but yeah, came to some realizations today, cut some niggas off today. Anyways, so yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm gonna add my, no I'm not, but yeah, oh my god, my stomach. Oh yeah, do y'all want to see the picture I posted? I show you guys the picture I posted. There she go. All right, y'all. Gotta go.